Session 2. We now move on to understand data types, that is types of data in real life and then in coding. Data types in real life. In real life, data types refer to the different kinds of information or data that we encounter and use in various contexts. Different data types are used to represent distinct types of data, enabling us to work with and interpret information effectively. Here are some examples of data types in real life. First, numeric data type. Numeric data types represent numerical values. They can be integers, whole numbers, or floating point numbers, numbers with decimal points. Examples include age, represented as an integer. Example 25. Temperature, represented as a floating point number. Example 27.5 degrees Celsius. Second, string data type. String data type represents sequences of characters typically used to represent text. Examples include name, represented as a string. Example John. Address, represented as a string. Example 123 Main Street. Third, Boolean data type. Boolean data type represents true or false values denoting binary conditions. Examples include is student, represented as a Boolean. Example true or false. Fourth, date and time data type. Date and time data types represent specific points in time or durations. Examples include birth date, represented as a date. Example 2000 05 10.
Event time,
Represented as a timestamp. Example 2023 7 1 15 30. Fifth, geographical data type. Geographical data types represent locations and geographic features. Examples include coordinates, represented as latitude and longitude values. Example 40.7128, comma minus 74.0060. Address with geocoding, represented as a combination of text and coordinates. Sixth, categorical data type. Categorical data types represent data that falls into distinct categories or groups. Example include gender, represented as categorical data. Example male or female. Product categories, represented as labels. Examples electronics,
clothing,
books. Seventh, structured data type. Structured data type combine multiple data elements into a single unit. Examples include student record, combining name, age, and grade into a single data structure. Employee information, combining name, job title, and salary into a data record. Data type are essential for organizing, processing, and analyzing data in real-life scenarios. They help in understanding the nature of information and enable efficient manipulation of data in various fields such as science, engineering, finance, healthcare, and everyday life. In Python, data types are used to categorize and represent different types of data. Python has several built-in data types, and each data type serves a specific purpose. Here are some common data types in Python with examples. First, numeric data types. Integer, int, whole numbers without decimal points. Floating point, float, numbers with decimal points. Second, string data type. String, str, sequences of characters enclosed in single or double quotes. Third, Boolean data type. Boolean, bool, represents true or false values. Fourth, list data type. List, ordered mutable collections of elements enclosed in square brackets.
fifth,
Tuple data type. Tuple, ordered, immutable collections of elements enclosed in parentheses. Sixth, dictionary data type. Dictionary, DICT, unordered, mutable collections of key value pairs enclosed in curly braces. Seventh, set data type. Set, unordered, mutable collections of unique elements enclosed in curly braces. Eighth, none type data type. None type represents the absence of a value. Ninth, range data type. Range represents a sequence of numbers often used in loops. These are some of the primary data types in Python. Python is a dynamically typed language, meaning you don't need to explicitly declare the data type of a variable. Python automatically assigns the appropriate data type based on the value assigned to the variable. Understanding data types is crucial in Python programming as it helps in efficiently managing and manipulating data, performing operations and making decisions in your code.